All right, guys, I want to give y'all a chance to see this vintage 1930s Emerson Mickey Mouse radio from every angle and really close. First of all, it does not function. It does not work. Not sure what is wrong with it. It's also, it looks like it's been painted. You can see the original paint color under here is red. And pay attention to, like, I think there's a missing diamond here on this side. Looks like the little metal Mickey painted design here is in pretty good shape. The grill behind it is not. And here are the tubes back here. And I believe this is a ground clamp to attempt to reduce noise. And then we have the power cord. And I don't see any specific fraying on the power cord. However, I would get somebody that knows what they're doing to check it out prior to using it. Let's go ahead and plug it in. And I will let y'all see what it does. Again, if you buy this, please be careful. I plugged it in just now. Okay, power is on. This is the tuning knob on this side. And I just want to see if, okay, you can see, okay, it does make noise. You can see a couple of tubes heating up. I see 3 of the 4 tubes are glowing to some extent. This one a little bit, this one a little more, and this one's glowing pretty bright. I don't see any activity on this tube at all. I mean, this could be something as bad, you know, something as simple as just replacing a couple of tubes, or there could be something else going on. But whenever I try to tune, trying to tune the radio now. I pick up what I think might be a signal, but then I don't ever hear anything. No, not tuning anything. So just wanted to show y'all this video so you can see exactly what is going on with this radio. Thanks for watching.